Have you ever thought that the simple potato could be one of the most powerful foods for your health? Potatoes aren't just cheap fillers or fast food fries. They're nutrition powerhouses with secrets backed by science, history, and culture. Today, I'm going to share the top 10 benefits of potatoes in descending order, so make sure you stay with me until the end, because it will change the way you look at potatoes forever. For those who are new here, my name is Dr. Zinedine. I'm a medical doctor with 8 years of clinical experience and a master's degree in public health. Over the years, I've worked with patients and communities across different settings. And one thing I've learned is that the foods we often overlook can sometimes be the most powerful tools for health. That's why today, I'm bringing you insights into one of the world's most beloved yet misunderstood vegetables, the potato. Number 10. Affordable and accessible nutrition. Potatoes are often called the people's food because they're affordable and available almost everywhere. During wars, famines, and economic crises, potatoes have literally kept communities alive. Next time you see potatoes at the market, remember, this isn't just a cheap carb, it's survival food that has shaped history. Number 9. High in vitamins. Surprising, right? One medium potato can provide nearly 30% of your daily vitamin C needs. Before citrus fruits were widely available, sailors actually relied on potatoes to prevent scurvy. Imagine that your fries could be fighting off vitamin deficiency. Number 8. Energy booster. Potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates, the good kind of energy that fuels your brain and muscles. Whether you're an athlete or just someone trying to get through a long workday, potatoes can give you sustainable energy without the sugar crash. Number 7. Gut health and fiber. Have you ever heard of resistant starch? When potatoes are cooked and cooled, they form this special kind of starch that feeds the good bacteria in your gut. It's like fertilizer for your microbiome, helping with digestion and even improving insulin sensitivity. Have you ever tried eating leftover cold potatoes in a salad? You might be surprised by how much healthier it is than hot fries. Number 6. Potassium Powerhouse. Aside, bananas. Potatoes actually contain more potassium than bananas. Potassium is vital for lowering blood pressure and keeping your heart healthy. For patients with hypertension, I often emphasize foods like potatoes as part of a balanced diet. Number 5. Skin and wound healing. Potatoes have long been used in traditional medicine. Historically, communities applied potato slices to soothe burns and skin irritation. While we don't replace medical care with potatoes today, science confirms that compounds in potatoes can reduce inflammation. Number 4. Naturally gluten-free. For millions who struggle with gluten intolerance or celiac disease, potatoes are a safe and delicious alternative. Mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes, potato pancakes, you can enjoy them all without fear of gluten-related flare-ups. Number 3. Weight management support. Believe it or not, boiled potatoes rank among the most filling foods ever tested. This means they can keep you full longer, reducing the urge to snack. In fact, some weight management studies have found that people eat fewer calories when potatoes are included in meals. Number 2. Versatility in cooking and culture. From Peruvian Andes to Irish stews, Indian curries to American fries, the potato is woven into every culture story. It's not just food, it's tradition, memory, and comfort. Every bite connects us to a global family of eaters. Number 1. Life-saving crop in human history. Here's the big one. Potatoes are not just healthy, they've been life-saving. When potatoes spread from South America to Europe, they literally fueled population growth. Entire nations survived because of this crop. The potato shows us that sometimes, the simplest things can hold the greatest power. So what's the unforgettable lesson here? Never underestimate the power of everyday foods. The potato isn't just a side dish, it's history, health, and hope on a plate. Next time you eat one, remember, you're not just feeding yourself, you're connecting with a story of resilience and nourishment that spans centuries. I'd love to hear in the comments, what's your favorite way to eat potatoes? Let's start the conversation below. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.